Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of VizRT Tuesday Tutorials. I am your host Richard Evans. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So today I'd like to show you how to update the software on the TriCaster Flex Dual, keeping you up to date with all the features that you need to create an amazing show. So, let me show you how it's done, son. Alright, so I am on my TriCaster Flex Dual here in my desk. So the first thing that we need to do is find the IP address of our TriCaster Flex Dual so that we can get into the user interface and start to play around with updating it. So to get to the IP address, we'll hold down Shift and then the top left button on your numpad here, on the top numpad. Just hold these two down. Alright. And then that gives us the option here to connect, restore, reboot, etc. But we don't need to look at any of that. What we need to do is find the IP address, which is down here at the bottom of our TriCaster Flex Dual. So let's go ahead and zoom in there. All right, and so for my example today, my IP address for my TriCaster Flex Dual is 10.28.3.90. All right. And then from here, what we can do is I can get out of this menu just by pressing done. Okay, and then from this point, we'll move over to my laptop and start to get into the IP address, into the interface of the TriCaster Flex Dual. Let's take a look. Alright, so I'm here on my desktop. I've put in that IP address to my browser, and I've logged in to my TriCaster Flex Dual interface. Now from here, we'll go to our administration panel, and then under firmware, this is where we're going to go to update our firmware. Okay, but now let's go ahead and find that firmware file that we're going to update our system with. So I have another tab open here to vizrt.com. So we'll go underneath Support and Services and click on Product Updates. And then we'll just scroll until we find the product that we're looking for, which is the TriCaster Flex Control Panel. All right, now we go to this page here. Now there's options for the original TriCaster Flex and then the TriCaster Flex Dual. Okay, and so this is the one we're going to be working with. So I'll just go ahead and click Download from here, and I'll throw this over to my desktop. Okay, now that's going to download a zip file. So let's go ahead and open that zip folder. All right, and go ahead and open that. So what we need is the bin file that is inside of this zip file. Okay, so let's just go ahead and copy that, and I'm going to paste this here on my desktop, like so. Boop. All right, cool. Go ahead and close that window, and then go back to the TriCaster Flex Dual, and then we're going to click on Choose Firmware File, and I'll go and navigate to my desktop and find that file I want. So there it is right here, .bin file. Hit Open, and then simply click on Update Firmware, and then you'll have a pop-up here that says Uploading, and it'll give you a percentage of how much it is. And once that is done, you are updated, son. All right, and then from here, you are pretty much updated and good to go. All right, so if you ever say like restore your TriCaster Flex Dual and want to put the latest updates on it, that's the way to do that. Or if you just want to get the latest and greatest from vizrt.com, that's how you do it as well. So pretty simple, but essential in making your TriCaster Flex Dual up to date and good to go. All right, there you have it. Another way to stay up to date with all the awesome features of the TriCaster Flex Dual. Now, for more tutorial videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to the VizRT YouTube channel at youtube.com/VizRTofficial. And you can find more information about the TriCaster Flex Dual and other VizRT products and services by contacting your local VizRT partner or visiting our website, vizrt.com. And you can also get professional training with VizRT products by signing up for Viz University at vizrt.com/community/viz-university. And if you're posting your work using VizRT products on social media, make sure that you tag us using the hashtags VizRT or TriCaster. We love seeing what you're working on. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again real soon for another episode of VizRT Tuesday Tutorials.